everyone, welcome to Priya's classroom. Today I am going to discuss about a sensitive and a very important topic, good touch and bad touch. This video is not only for the kids and also for the parents. First, let me start with the kids. Tell me, what is good touch and bad touch? Now let me tell you what is good touch. A touch that makes you to feel comfortable from your loved ones like parents, grandparents or friends. That may be a hug from your parents or even a handshake, and from your teachers also. So that is a good touch. It will make you to feel loved and you'll feel secured. And what is bad touch? A touch that you are not really comfortable with, even if it is tickling or touching your cheeks or kissing your cheeks, touching your hands, whatever it is, if you are not comfortable with that, please tell your parents, because that is a bad touch. Even if that person is your neighbor or someone who is very close to your family. Okay, so that is a bad touch and you should not accept that. Say no to that person and you have to immediately tell that to your parents or grandparents. You should not allow anyone to undress you, or you should not undress yourself if any person insists you, except your mom and dad. She can or he can do it when she cleans you, and your doctor can examine you for the medical checkup only with the presence of your mom or dad. Now, what should you do when you feel something as a bad touch? You have to say, no, don't touch me, loud, in your loud voice. How you have to say, no, don't touch me? Like that you have to say in your loud voice, just shout and run away from that place. Immediately you have to tell this to your parents without any hesitation. You should not hesitate if that person is really close to your family members, or if he is a neighbor, or if he is a person who is often coming to your house. Okay, if that person threatens you, you don't get scared. Okay, your parents are there to love you and protect you from anything and from anyone. So please keep that in mind. You have to share everything with your parents. That is the really most important thing you have to do. One more thing you have to do is, don't speak with strangers. Don't get anything from the strangers, even if they give chocolates or any gifts, toys, whatever it may be, how expensive it may be. Don't take anything from the strangers, even from the neighbors, without the presence of your parents. If they are giving something to you when your parents are not there, please don't take that. That is the first step for this issue. So please don't take any gifts from the strangers or even from the neighbors without the presence of your parents. One more main thing is, you have to know the address and phone number of your parents, both mom and dad. Kids, please understand that your body completely belongs to you and no one has the right to touch it without your permission. Specifically, there are few parts of the body that is completely private. Those are mouth, chest, parts between your legs and the buttocks. Don't allow anyone to touch those parts, and you should not touch others too, even if the person says you to do. Okay? Only your mom or dad can do that when they clean you. And doctors can examine your body, but that too with your parents' presence. When the parents are there, you can allow the doctors to examine your body thoroughly. But without the parents' presence, don't even allow the doctors to do that. Got it? So, you have to take care of your own body when your parents are not around. Got it? Whatever is happening to you, please share it with your parents. That is the most important thing to do even if you become elder. Dear parents, every day we hear stories about a child is being molested or being touched inappropriately. Children who fall to this prey are usually below 6 to 8 years of age. They are too young to know the difference between right and wrong, because the abuser is generally someone who is very well known to the family. So the kids they get confused whether to say this to the parents or not. For that, please teach your kid that no one has the right to touch their body if they don't want to be touched. Children as young as 3 years old can really understand that some of their body parts are private. We parents have to assure the kids that we listen to them no matter what. Your child should be able to trust you and share anything with you, and that much of hope you have to give to your kids. Please create a safe circle for your kids. Safe circle should contain the persons who are really your closest family member, like parents, grandparents, brother, sister. And the safe circle should be introduced to the kids only by the parents. And to the parents, if your child is not comfortable with anyone, even if that person is really a closest person to you, please don't force your kid to go and sit on their lap or to kiss that person. If your kid is not really comfortable with that person, please don't force your kids to do that. If a child shares something to you, please listen to them, because they are trying to say something to you. We have to listen to the kids as much as we can. If someone misbehaves with your child, obviously it is not your kid's fault, that is the culprit's fault. Please report it immediately and take actions against them, or else it may happen to some other child or even to your child also again. All parents, including me, wants our child to be safe and secure. So it is our responsibility to teach the kids about these things to handle such situations. Please teach your kids your house address and both mom and dad phone numbers. This video is not only for the girl babies, this is also for the boy babies. Please share this video to your friends and your loved ones and make them aware. Subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. Bye.